Forecasting tubular products has become a staple in today's oil and gas industry. With accurate forecasting, companies can leverage this information for reduced costs from the suppliers and steel mills we work with, but just as important, forecasting drastically increases the security of supply. In every pace of market we have seen over the last 10 years, forecasting tubular products has proven to be an invaluable asset. After years of forecasting tubular products for a number of large oil and gas companies in Western Canada, Alpine Tubular Management and Supply has developed a forecasting system and process that gives all parties involved a snapshot of a company's drilling, completions, and facility outlook for tubular usage. The following is a demonstration of how we use this tool in a meeting setting, in a monthly forecast meeting with engineers present, drilling managers, all parties involved, including the suppliers. Information can be summarized and rolled up in geographical areas of responsibility by engineer, drilling and completion rigs, or all three. In a meeting setting, we can isolate the engineer's area or rig to discuss and review their program. If the engineer was unable to attend the meeting, this portion of the forecast could be delivered and signed off later that day by the engineer. Once we have the information in front of us, the program can easily be manipulated. We can add locations to the program, and with just a couple of mouse clicks, we can take those same locations away. If we have weather delays in the area, the whole program can be slid back, or if we need to spend the money due to expiries, we can slide the whole program forward. If we wanted to add a rig to this area with a simple mouse click and drag, we can create two schedules under the same area showing how much casing each rig would use in each month. If a rig was not available, we would continue with our one rig program. A quick snapshot of the actual string design is always available to review our meterage and our costs. If we want to add casing to both the service casing and the long string, it's easily done in a matter of seconds. Since the forecast is built on a timescale, the forecast is never built from scratch on a monthly basis, but rather reviewed and modified as more refined information is collected. As teams get closer towards a spud date, completion, or tie-in, we are able to provide the best information possible to the steel mill, as well as vendors that provide items such as float, centralization, wellheads, and just about any other equipment that complements the conversation we're already having with these teams. Probably one of the most powerful aspects of this tool is that we can take the information we saw on the Gantt chart, once reviewed and approved by the engineers, and with one click of the mouse have a clear representation of exactly what quantities of products will be used in each month. These quantities can be drilled down to show precisely what locations will be using what material, and finally, this information can be exported to either an Excel or PDF file that can be delivered to our key suppliers as well as key stakeholders. So this concludes our introduction to Alpine's forecasting tool and process. To learn more about what we offer in supply chain management of tubular products, please feel free to contact us or visit our website at alpinetubular.com.